Zodwa Wabantu plead to pay back. International entertainer and dancer Zodwa Wabantu, who is known for her mass-pulling crown with her skillful dance moves and crazy outfit dresses, was booked for a show at Benoni, Ekurhuleni on Saturday, but was not present. David DJ Token claimed to have booked Zodwa as the headline act at the African block party, but never showed up. DJ Token said, "I contacted her on WhatsApp about an event I was organizing and told her I had R15,000. She replied, 'Let's work,' asked of her bank details, and transferred the money. Before the show, I had a phone call from a certain woman who claims to be Zodwa's manager, and she suggested if Zodwa can perform at 9 p.m. instead of 11 p.m. I then made a fast call to the manager of African block party around 9 p.m. as agreed, but they never answered. I proceeded to call Zodwa back only for her to be rejecting my calls. I called her manager, who happened to be the woman who called me, and she told me to call back in 30 minutes. Eventually, I got to know she was in Newcastle. I was really disappointed in her and wished to clear my image with all the shame and frustration. All that we're saying is we want our money back." Zodwa's apology. Zodwa Wabantu later apologized to the organizers of the show, stating, "I am sorry to my fans and the organizer, and will definitely pay back the money used to book me." She explained further that she had to perform at Newcastle on that same day, but thought she could plan her schedule as well. Time went against her and ended up at Newcastle's event only. "It's rather unfortunate, and is very sorry I disappointed my audience."
Yeah.